what I was using. Look at the tires, it's clean. That one is not clean yet. But so far the body is clean. Then you go to the up touch, polish it. And this is the car's look. This is how the car good look. Top steen het nie speel die begare. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you. And here's the stuff that I use. Car. What do you call it? Car soap. This has been caught. Car smell. This is car smell nicely. You can see that thing. Car heat, like what you, it's like almost like that thing where they use all the tires to let the tires shine, spotless, something like that. It's the same one. And in this one, they use for the car spotting. And this is a polish of it. Yeah, that's all. But here's all the cloths and all that kind of thing. So the look, the moral of the story is you look here. Those lock. I want to show you guys inside. And this is how the products come inside.
Fantastic triple play. That one was Topic and A7S with Breaking Me that went number 3 and definitely fully top 3 podium position, peaking at bronze medal 3rd position on the UK dance charts a few weeks ago. Before then, Roman Kohler from Good Luck, and even before that, Go Down from DJ PH. We are going down the last few minutes of the best midday music on your radio for today, but before we wrap up,